Every team has its rhythm. You can hear it in meetings: who jumps in first, who answers last, and who never interrupts at all. That rhythm tells you more about how decisions are made than any org chart ever could. In global teams, those rhythms collide. One culture moves fast and verbal, another quiet and consultative. The result? Endless loops of polite confusion. That's why the MC3 method teaches leaders to listen not only to what's said, but to when and by whom it's said. Because decision-making is a cultural pattern long before it's a process. The myth of consensus. Many leaders believe in inclusive decision-making. But inclusivity looks different across borders. In Germany or the Netherlands, inclusion means everyone contributes openly, immediately, and directly. In Japan, inclusion happens before the meeting, private alignment, then public harmony. In France, debate is expected, authority closes it. In the UK, agreement often sounds like understatement: that could work. Which may actually mean no. When we judge other styles through our own lens, we mistake respect for resistance or confidence for arrogance. The three axes of decision logic. MC3 maps global decision-making on three quiet axes. Individual versus collective: who holds final authority? Explicit versus implicit: must the decision be verbalized, or is silence assent? Speed versus certainty: do we act fast and adjust, or analyze until the path is safe? Once a leader identifies where their team sits on those axes, alignment stops being luck. A real moment. Imagine you observed a merger call between an American executive and a Scandinavian finance lead. The executive opened with, "Let's decide today." The finance lead replied, "Let's review the data first." Both were confident. Both meant progress. Both left the call thinking the other was indecisive. It wasn't a power struggle, it was a timing mismatch. Different definitions of what decide means. After we mapped their logic, they set a rhythm: pre-discussion on Mondays, decision on Thursdays. No extra meetings, just clearer choreography. Efficiency returned overnight. How to lead through the logic. Here's how MC3 leaders navigate cultural decision rhythms. Name the process early. "We'll discuss today and decide next week" is clarity, not delay. Define signals. In some teams, nodding means yes. In others, it means "I heard you." Ask. Balance speed and safety. Fast talkers don't always own the best ideas, slower voices often hold the missing insight. Close the loop publicly. Write down the decision, circulate it, and confirm next steps. Ambiguity loves silence. A 5-minute MC3 reflection. After your next meeting, jot this down. Who spoke most? Who decided? Who waited? Who changed direction quietly? Patterns will emerge, and those patterns are culture in motion. Leadership across borders isn't about changing who decides. It's about making the decision-making visible, so everyone knows when to speak, when to wait, and when to act. That's the discipline at the heart of the MC3 method, turning unspoken rules into shared rhythm.